Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Welcome. My unreserved apology. Saturday I was supposed to come on air. I couldn't based on certain circumstances beyond my control. Quickly, please. Make I do something with my other phone. I know say this one the enemy's temptation. He not go work. It's not going to work, and your muff is in the house. Let's do it anyhow. We do no just do. Make I see talker and see be. And that guy be pass. Make I talker. Then make I share for this angle. And make I talk my mind. After that talk I finish, you would like me go use the head heat transformer and okay again. Okay. So let me to share quickly. I think I've shared from my other phone. Quickly, because too much things to do. So I wanted to really do a broadcast about the worst independence we've gotten as a nation. But somehow many things come pass under the bridge. I couldn't come on air. And which the thing they pay me say I not fit still do. I just come from a very strong something one of it let go. So I know say I still get things to do today. I know if you do broadcast. In between I say make I do them. I just have to do it because in my existence on earth, I've never seen us as a nation celebrate this kind of independence, whereby the whole world they caricature us, they show us as a nation of cows. The commander-in-chief, Malu, Boo Boo, they lead us. They too spoil Nigeria as a nation. And out of that, some people know to see they think, say, what is happening to Nigeria as a nation? Some people are busy, like idiotic about Obaze, which is not even concerned about anybody's progress. He only concerned now a pocket. How he go to dupe those and become significant and become relevant. Whatever it takes, he go to dupe worldwide. He's a scammer. That is noted. He's a big number one scammer. That guy doesn't have the common feeling of anybody at heart. At independence that was not worthy to be celebrated, that guy was busy celebrating Eduge Homes. All he's busy thinking about is to just scam the people and get himself comfortable. He doesn't care about what happens to you people. The 4+4 talk back squad. Wanna say yes. Abat say Governor Basile will give us a Singapore. How many times Abat don't come tell us about politics again? Abat don't use don't dump naturally. Una keep quiet. Nothing say things go remain status quo. We will not be angry to ask questions. Abat use una say we will prepare against them that time. EPM, whatever. Don't you not call us? Una call us enemy of the land. Now insecurity in the land. Nobody, no idiot is finding it as necessary to answer Abat questions. No idiot. We told us that 4+4 slogan, euphoria, I want to bring to the whole world, say, those things will get better. I don't must move forward, you, not to Godfatherism, yo. Now, this one, no keep quiet now. The unshakable mamas, the Eddie Murphys, the Ivie Uhunda, all of una, you're not there. Stupid people. Now, what do I promise I those? Insecurity in the land. You people are silent. You're not talking anything. Eddie Murphy got a tie rapper now. Eddie Murphy, throw that rapper. You not be woman. Just throw that rapper. Go talk about insecurity in your state and talk about the governor. You prepare. You go collect envelope. Can't divide money with stainless. Can't keep quiet now. You not be talk. You don't go turn the tie woman rapper. They talk about land grabbing. First talk about governor. The governor must sign the B of anti-open grazing. He must sign it and leave Roland Echo alone. The governor get power to do what he want to do. Come out matter for Roland Echo and Bonoto. First governor first. What the governor do with 700 million votes every month? What does he do with it? People are dying by the numbers, kidnappers everywhere. Only Stanley don't come out, go talk. Stanley broadcast, I listen to it. Stanley Konokwodi, even though they say they sit down the first, he came out. He said, I'm going to ask governor, what did they use 700 million to do? Why never say anti-open grazing law be into acts, make it the function? The you all guys are busy. They throw stone, go where stone all day. They tie apart, they do lipstick. Eddie Murphy, keep quiet for that your slumber. Face Obaseki first. Obaseki have the veto power to decide what will happen in those states. Face him. For crying out aloud. Do the needful, not even though you not get the full power. Make us see them. They're progressive. They let's see him much more kind of proactive with the people's will, what the people deserve, what the people want. When we come to the Tara panel, they talk of you go start wanting, you not go finish up. The Obaseki will not give us. What you don't do? Obaseki will not vote with all you feel say don't go talk to Singapore. Now, but Obaseki they shop, they roast meat. They roast meat. He drive this man. He drive this stupid about Obaseki drive what do they call her? Genocide come up for Benin. You go to do everything genocide they do. Now he call they tell you now meat in the shop. He and Bosto drink beer after the election. He call tell us say Bosto not tell them to drunkard. Then they not tell us what they promise those in diaspora say governor will do. You people will just be fooled by that small boy called Abat. That idiot that will not he go call sit down, call the judge matter will not concern her. When he talks in politics, he form was all group. How he just go take better than Papa Wala matter and this guy. Now they talk about Destiny Bagwa. And you know the few judge away. Can anything good come out from Abat? Can anything come out from Abat? Obviously no. Abat is a psychopath, an impostor, a psychopath. That's what he is. You want to play on intelligence to get something away from you and just believe, say they're top. That's what it is. So you idiots that are keep on keen to Abat ideas, it's high time you have to be consistent and ask Abat, what are the things that you people promised us before the election? Where are the Gelegele whatever? Where are the Oshomo power plants? Where are all these things? No, they ask. Get off na keep quiet. Untouchable mama, unshakable mama. Sorry, not be you, untouchable mama. Unshakable mama. What you say you be sister to Governor Obaseki? Ask your governor. No, not tell us. Even Pahitro, ask your governor. Where is this? Where is the Gelegele whatever or the Oshomo power plant? What he don't do for Benin? How many lights he don't put for Benin? These are things I want to see. These are things I want to hear you guys talking about. All of you just keep quiet. It's a technocrat. Technocrat in voice me. Technocrat in under MOU. Technocrat following you, manipulating you, using your brain, twisting your brain. Technocrat. Nothing is fixable on the ground. Technocrats in dreams paradise. Technocrat being stupid. Wike, not a technocrat. It's working. Wike never came to tell us he's a technocrat, but he's performing. More than all this now worst bastard governor will give to us. So in a nutshell, I just want to exhibit the fear about Nigerian independence. It's so painful that those that call themselves technocrats, intellectuals, they voted this stupid governor and not asking questions. I reserve my comments for the now. I'll continue for you. I'll stop later.